Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the important part of climate of India chapters, that is the monsoon and its mechanism. First of all, you need to know what is monsoon. Monsoon means the wind which is to change its direction as per the seasons. So here, why it change its direction as per the season? That only we need to discuss it here. Those are the mechanism of monsoon theory. So basically, here you need to learn only three theories. So here you can see the first concept given by Haley, that is called thermal concept, and that concept, it was the oldest concept, and that was given in the year 1686 AD. 1686 AD. So what is that? This concept is very important here. That is differentiate heating and cooling in between landmass and water bodies. As you know, solar energy, it will be received by the landmass and the water bodies at different rate. So landmass, it will receive the temperature quickly and it will also release the temperature quickly. On the other hand, water bodies, that will receive the temperature slowly as well as it will release the temperature slowly. So what will happen? At the same amount of solar energy, when it will come to land and water bodies, there will be different amount of heat as well as there will be different type of atmospheric pressure. So here you just see, during the summer season, the solar energy is to come in between equator to Tropic of Cancer. So here you can see Tropic of Cancer is near about this portion and equator, that is near about this portion. So there is Tropic of Cancer and there is equator. Now what will happen? You will see during the summer season, solar energy, it will be there in between the Tropic of Cancer and equator. It means this portion of India. Now what happened? There are landmass as well as water bodies. Now landmass, it will receive the temperature quickly, so temperature it will be more. And what is the relation between temperature and atmospheric pressure? When the temperature is more, atmospheric pressure it will be low. So here it will be low pressure. On the other hand, water bodies, it will be not able to receive the temperature so quick. So there will be less temperature. And when there is a less temperature, the opposite relation with the atmospheric pressure. So here it will be high pressure. So the low pressure and here it will be high pressure. So as you know, wind always it will blow from high pressure to low pressure. But due to the Coriolis force, wind it will bend in the right hand side in northern hemisphere. So here you can see wind it will blow. Here wind it will blow, from southwest to northeast. From southwest to northeast. That is during the summer season. As it is coming from southwest and going toward the northeast, as it is coming from the southwest, so that's why it is called southwest monsoon. That I said, all those things is happening during the summer. Now during winter, there will be opposite condition. What will be the opposite condition? Here you can see solar energy, it will be not there. Solar energy during that time, it will come in the southern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere, it is the time to release the temperature. When it will release the temperature, so what will happen? Where there was a low pressure, now it will be high pressure. Why? Because it is releasing the temperature. So landmass, it will release the temperature quickly and it will cool down quickly. So temperature, it will be comparatively low. Where it is low temperature, so there it will be high pressure. Here it will be high pressure. On the other hand, when the surrounding water bodies, it will release the temperature slowly. So that's why when the water body's temperature, it will be quite high. So atmospheric pressure, it will be low. So here it will be low pressure. Now what will happen? Wind always it will blow from high pressure to low pressure. So here wind it will come from the landmass to the water bodies, landmass to the water bodies, and as per the Coriolis force, it will bend in the right hand side in northern hemisphere. So it will come like this. So that time it is coming from the northeast to the southwest. So as it is coming from the northeast, that's why it will be called northeast monsoon. So southwest monsoon during the summer and northeast monsoon during the winter. Now let's go for the next important concept. Those are the modern concept. What are those? That is the modern theories, air mass theory and jet stream theory. Now air mass theory, here you need to know about the one concept, that is the ICSE. What is ICSE? That is intertropical convergence zone. Now where it is located? located? It's located as per the solar energy, vertical solar energy. Where the vertical sun rays it will be there it will be ITCZ. Normally vertical sun rays it will be there on the equator. Here you can see vertical sun rays there on the equator. Now that's why on the equator area there will be low pressure. When equatorial area there will be low pressure, from the surrounding subtropical high pressure belt wind it will come towards the equator. Now where it will about to collide, in this place it's called intertropical convergence zone. This one is called intertropical convergence zone. And once the wind it will come here, it will get warm up and it will go up, right? And as the vertical sun rays position it change during different time of a year. So sometime it will come in the northern hemisphere and sometime it will shift to the southern hemisphere. As a result, ITCZ also it will shift in the southern hemisphere and it will shift in the northern hemisphere. So ITCZ that is to keep changing, keep shifting. So here you can see during two different seasons, right? During the summer season, here you can see during the summer season ITCZ it will come over the Indian landmass. Now ITCZ it will come over the Indian landmass, and here you can see the equator line. Now where is the equator line is there? Now from the southern subtropical high pressure belt, when it will come toward the equator, now it have to reach to the ITCZ. Here is the intertropical convergence zone. So when it is there in the southern hemisphere, it will go like this. It will go like this due to the, as it is there in the southern hemisphere, so it will bend in the left hand side. But by that time it will cross the equator. Now it is reaching to the northern hemisphere. When it is reaching to the northern hemisphere, now it have to bend in the right hand side. So after crossing equator, it will go like this. It will go like this. When it will cross over the Indian landmass, that time it will be called southwest monsoon. Now let's come to the winter season. Now winter season, as per the vertical sun rays, ITCZ it will shift in the southern hemisphere. Now from the subtropical area, wind it will come from the northeast to the southwest. So that's why it is called northeast monsoon. That is in the winter season. Now here you can see another important concept, a jet stream concept. It's not difficult at all. That's very easy. I'll just explain it within two steps. So first of all, you need to know what is jet stream. Jet stream basically those are the upper air circulation. In which direction wind is blowing in the lower surface area, in the upper air wind is blowing in the opposite direction and very high speed. So those are called the jet stream. Here you can see those are the jet streams are there. Now what happened? Those jet stream, here you need to remember there's a two different season, summer season and winter season, and there will be two different jet stream effect. So let's talk about the winter season. So during winter season, what will happen? Here you can see that Mediterranean Sea, from Mediterranean Sea towards India, that is the westerly jet stream it will come. Westerly jet stream will come and it will come toward the northern part of India. When it will reach to the northern part of India, here the temperature it will drop down. So when the temperature it will drop down, so here it will be high pressure. By the time on Indian water bodies, this area there will be low pressure. In the water bodies there it will be low pressure. So that is the effect of westerly jet stream, and due to that wind it will start to blow from high pressure to low pressure like this, and as it is coming from the northeast to the southwest, it is called northeast monsoon. That it will be during the winter. Now let's talk about the summer season. Summer season there will be the effect of easterly jet stream. There will be the effect of easterly jet stream. Why? Because during the summer season sunlight it will be there on the northern hemisphere much more. So northern hemisphere, here the temperature it will be more. There's the temperature it will be more. From here, easterly jet stream, especially from the Tibet area, easterly jet stream, it will start to come from here. That is the upper air circulation, and it will come to the Madagascar. Here you can see the Madagascar. Here you can see the Madagascar. So the air it will come as upper air circulation from Tibet to the Madagascar. And in the lower surface, as I said, it will go in the opposite direction. So in the lower surface, close to the surface area, wind it will start to blow from Madagascar to the Indian landmass. It means from southwest toward the northeast, and that is called southwest monsoon. That's it. Those are the easy concept of mechanism of monsoon. For more upcoming videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much.